children. Today we will be learning about different professions like क्या अलग-अलग काम करते हैं लोग. Okay, so let's learn about that. So the very first profession that we will be talking about is, who is this? This is a doctor. This is a doctor. And what does a doctor do? He treats us. When we are sick, he treats us, right? And these are his tools. Like a doctor uses a stethoscope and syringe. He also uses medicines, right? So this is a doctor. Next, we will be talking about a nurse. She is a nurse. She helps the doctor. She looks after the patients, gives them medicines, injections, and treat them well so that they get well soon. The next profession that we will be talking about is, this is a farmer. He is a farmer. And what does a farmer do? He helps to grow fruits, vegetables, crops. Okay. So these are his tools. He uses a tractor, this is a sickle, right? He is a farmer. Who is this? He is a soldier, an army man, right? He protects our country from enemies. This is a gun and this is his hat. He uses his gun and hat. He is a soldier. Next, who is this? Do you recognize her? She is a teacher who teaches children, right? Who teaches us. She uses books, blackboards, chalks, and teaches us all the good things. Next, we have a firefighter. He is a firefighter, right? What does he do? If there is a fire somewhere, he is the one who helps to douse the fire. And this is a hose and a hydrant. Okay, the hose is connected to the hydrant and then he sprays water, right? He is a fireman. He is a pilot. He is a pilot. He flies aeroplanes, right? He flies aeroplanes. This is an aeroplane and this is the pilot's bag. Next we have a dentist. A dentist. The dentist is also a doctor, but he looks after our teeth. Okay, if we have a tooth pain, okay. So dentist treats us by taking care of our teeth. And these are the tools that the dentist uses. This is a mirror, a small mirror, and this is a drill. She is a dentist. Next we have a computer programmer. Okay. And he uses computers. He uses keyboards, mouse, computer. He prepares different programs on the computer. He is a computer programmer. Here we have a chef. And what does a chef do? He cooks in big restaurants. He cooks food for us, tasty food for us. These are some of the tools that the chef uses, like this is a serving spoon and this is a cooking pot. Next profession that we will look at today is an astronaut. He is an astronaut. And what does an astronaut do? He goes up in the space, right? He is an astronaut. He uses the space shuttle and he goes up in the space. This is an oxygen tank which he uses. This is a lawyer. A lawyer works in a court. And in order to become a lawyer, you need to study a lot. Okay? She is a lawyer. Next person here is, he is an engineer. He is an engineer. And what does he do? He builds buildings, right? He draws plans for the big buildings and he builds buildings. This is compass that he uses and this is a hard hat. Okay? He works at a construction site, so he needs a hard hat. This is an engineer. Next we have an architect. An architect also is like an engineer. Like first he needs to prepare the blueprint. He needs to prepare the blueprint for the big buildings or houses that are built. So he is an architect. This is the measuring tape and blueprints that the architects use. This is a scientist. And what does a scientist do? He makes medicines. He makes vaccines. Okay. He helps the doctor by making new medicines and vaccines. He works in a laboratory. So here he uses a microscope, test tubes. These are the tools that the scientist uses. Next we have a dress designer. She designs dress and stitches them. She is the dress designer. These are the tools that the dress designer uses. This is a measuring tape. These are threads, needles. Okay. Here we have a hairdresser. And what does she do? She cuts our hair in various different styles by which we look beautiful. She is a hairdresser. She uses scissors and hair dryers. Here we have an athlete. He is an athlete. He uses sports shoes, water bottles. He runs marathons, relay. Right? He's an athlete. We have a musician here. This is a musician. He entertains us by singing beautiful songs. These are the musical note charts and the guitar that a musician uses. Now we have an artist here. This is an artist. She draws beautiful paintings. Okay. These are her paint brushes, palette, color tubes that the painter uses, the artist uses. Now we have a banker. A banker works in a bank. He works in a bank. When you visit a bank, you see banker, right? He is the one who collects money from us or who gives us cash. So this is the money, the calculator. These are the things that the banker uses. And lastly, we have an actor here. You all love to watch TV, right? So you see actor, actresses on TVs. This is also a profession. She is an actor. So children, these are some few more professions that we have. So let's start from the carpenter. He is a carpenter. And what does a carpenter do? He makes tables, chairs, sofa, cupboards, right? The furnitures that we have at home, the carpenter makes these furnitures. This is a cook, a chef, right? He cooks food, tasty foods for us. He is a cobbler. And what does a cobbler do? He mends shoes, right? He mends shoes. अगर हमारा shoes फट जाता है, तो we go to a cobbler and he stitches it up. He mends shoes for us. Next, we have a policeman, right? He is a policeman. He guards us. He saves us from thieves, right? He is the one who protects our society. He is a farmer. We have seen a farmer earlier, right? In the earlier flashcards, we have seen a farmer. He grows crops, fruits, vegetables for us. He is a cashier or a banker. We have a painter here. And what does a painter do? He paints our house, right? He paints the building, the house, our rooms. He paints for us. He is a painter. Artist. We have already seen an artist in the flashcards. He draws beautiful paintings. We have a barber here. And what does a barber do? He cuts hair, right? He makes us look smart and decent. He cuts hair. Same as a hairdresser. Here we have a taxi driver. He drives taxis and he takes us from one place to another. He helps us to reach our destination. Next we have a postman. And what does postman do? He delivers letters, post, couriers for us. He's a postman. A doctor, we have already seen a doctor. He helps us when we get sick, right? He treats us when we get sick. He's a doctor. A gardener. A gardener looks after a garden. He looks after plants, trees. He waters the plants, and this helps the plants to grow beautiful flowers. A magician. He shows different magic. He shows different magic tricks. A magician. A teacher. She teaches. She teaches everything in school. She's a teacher. This is a sailor. He works on ship. He is a sailor. Here we have a fireman. He is dousing fire here, right? कहीं पे आग लगी तो he douses the fire. पानी डाल के आग बुझाता है. He's a fireman. Here we have a scientist. Like we have earlier discussed, a scientist prepares medicines, okay, and vaccines. He's a scientist. Next, we have a baker or a cook or a chef. Here we have a nurse. She helps the doctor in giving medicines and injections. This is a clown. He works in a circus. He makes us laugh. This is a porter. You see the porter at the railway station. He helps us to carry our luggage. He is an electrician. And like if our TV gets spoiled or our fridge gets spoiled or there is no light at home, he is the one who repairs it, who who corrects it. Okay, he is an electrician. This is a butcher and he sells meat, chicken. He is a butcher. He is a soldier. He protects our country from enemy countries. So, he is a soldier. This is a watchman. A watchman guards our house, our building, our complex, right? From thieves, from outsiders. He is a watchman. She is a sweeper. She is the one who helps to keep our surroundings clean. She carries our waste materials and she throws it in the dustbin. She is a sweeper. She sweeps our surroundings. He is an architect. This is a maid. A maid. A maid helps us in our whole household work. She helps us in cleaning, mopping and sweeping the floor. She is a maid. He is a jeweler. He makes beautiful jewelries, designs and makes beautiful jewelry. He is a jeweler, a photographer. He clicks photos at marriages, at functions. He is a photographer. He is a computer programmer. He is a mechanic. Mechanic helps us when our vehicle breaks down or if it is not working. Mechanic is the one who repairs our vehicles. He is an electrician. An electrician. He is a plumber. He mends pipes like water pipes. If there is no water, so he is the one who looks after the water and the pipes related to it. He is a tailor. He stitches beautiful clothes for us. And last, he is a chemist. He sells medicines. He is a chemist. So children, today we learned about different professions. So when you grow up, what would you like to become? Think about that. Okay. That is all for today. Thank you.